So as you guys can see, ito, close up sa shoulder. This one, die cast siya with ratchet joints. Listen to this. Yan o. Yan o. Can you hear that? Yan. It's got ratchet joints. Yan. It's very nice. Articulation wise, okay, very good. Very solid figure. I like that it has ratchet joints kasi at least di siya magpa-flop. That's nice. Close up of the head. As you can see, that's Volta Spare right there. Looks really good. This looks really good in person. As you can see here, it's also got die cast dito sa joint sa legs. And ito ratchet siya. Yeah, can you hear that? Yeah, it's got ratchet joints. Very sturdy ratchet joints. Yan o, tigas o. It's very nice. And as you could see, it could hold the pose. See this? It could hold the pose. No flopping, none of that. It keeps that pose quite sturdy. Galing. Very nice. And then, ang maximum nito yung sa knees, how far could it bend? How far could it bend? Wow, that's a 45-degree bend as you can see here. Yeah. It's pretty nice. I think it's like restricted lang dito sa part na to ng sa leg. But if you could see here, it's got a really nice form. Tapos it keeps the pose. Hindi siya nagpo-flop. Even if you like wiggle it like this, walang flop. Galing. So nice. So nice. Galing. I think we could do a lot of really nice poses with this particular Voltes 5 figure. There you go.